What's up, guys? Today we're in the garage and we're going to take a minute out to talk about, getting your project done. And we're also going to talk about having your family involved in your project, which is also important sometimes, okay? What I'd like to take a minute out and tell you is, this is my Pro Mod. Some of you that follow me have been watching the progress on it, and thank you for a lot of the compliments. One of the things I wanted to tell you is that's 8 years. It's 8 years of working on that car, and it's still not done. I'm finally hoping this weekend getting ready to build the motor. Alcohol blown Hemi, got a Linko 4-speed and a clutch car, okay? Those of you guys that have been asking about what I'm putting in for a power plant, now you know. And don't get discouraged on your vehicle, okay? That's 8 years for me. Things happen in life. You got priorities. Kids need clothes. Maybe someone's sick. Who knows? And we get it. But do yourself a favor. If you can, try to go at least once a day, once a week, once a month, whatever it takes, and try to get something done. Even if it's sanding down a bracket and shooting a little primer on it. Any little thing counts and helps the progress move along. So don't get discouraged. And if you're building something or doing something that you've never done before, I'll be the first to tell you I've dealt with it before. Don't worry about the haters, okay? The ones that say, you can't do that, you don't know what you're doing. I'm sorry, they're so narrow-minded. Nikola Tesla didn't know nothing about electricity until he got electrocuted by it, right? Okay? So go read a book, get on the internet, do whatever it takes. I got a lot of heat from building, a race car chassis. I've never built one before. It's my first one. And it is what it is, but here it is done. So don't get discouraged when you hear all them people and the haters talking, because I know a lot of you guys, send me messages about it or you comment on it. So I'm just talking to you guys direct about that. And like this project for me, it got put on the back burner because of Garage Squad. Garage Squad was kind of important to me because, I was working with the producers, Matt, Ted, and Bill, and I really wanted to help make, the first gearhead show in the Midwest, and the first show that was really about guys in their garage and the struggles of building a car out of your garage. And we worked very hard on it, and I'm very proud of the show. And I thank you for all you guys that follow and watch it. It's another passion of mine to keep that show going and to keep it afloat. And now I want to get into, to jump ahead here a little bit about getting your family involved in your project. Sometimes, we have, a spouse that, doesn't want nothing to do with the project. They think it's a waste of money, or, it's useless, or whatever the case may be. The truth of the matter is you kind of got to give them credit they're right. Let's take race cars, for example. Money pits. Throw it in the pot. Nothing's coming out at the bottom. And that's the reality of it. But, as far as the spouses out there, if that's their passion, you got to support their passion. I mean, if that's what they love to do with their life, then you got to support that. That's what marriage is supposed to be all about, is helping each other. And, and that goes both ways, guys. It goes in many other things to do with life. And I'm just telling you from example, because, I was a real hard-headed bastard at one time, and I'll admit it. I'm mellowed out. Believe it or not, those of you who know me know I mellow out. Those of you who don't, you're like, there's no way this guy's mellowed out. Trust me, I have. But getting your family involved can be a positive, a real positive. And I'm going to give you an example. Let me grab a camera here. Now, some of you also that follow me know that my wife, has a race car. And they ask, what's it like, with your wife, racing cars? Well, it sucks when she's faster than you. And we'll get into that another day. But here is my wife's race car. And I'm really very proud of her. But this is her 1973 blown alcohol Duster. Okay? This car runs 850s. All right? My wife is a businesswoman. She gets up every day, puts on a dress, suit, whatever, and she goes to work. And if you were to meet her, this short little girl, you'd be like, there's no way this girl works on her own race car and has a blown alcohol car. There's no way. Well, she does. And that's proof out there, the girls, you can do it too. You just got to jump in and give it a shot. My wife loves it. She's having a blast, and she's making a name for herself, and I'm very proud of her. And one of the things I'm very proud of is she's already been in calendars, magazines. She works very hard on her car. She's got an autograph signing coming up here real soon. And the best part is the two women in my life, my daughter, she looks up to mom too. Now my daughter's got a junior dragster, and she's racing, and she's learning discipline, she's learning respect, and you know, she's working very hard on her car too. And I got to tell you, it's great, but it's a lot of work. I'll admit, between Garage Squad, running Prison City Customs, building my own race car, and keeping two girls going to the track, it's a lot of work. But I'm not complaining, because the minute that blown alcohol fires up and people are looking, going, there's a woman driving that thing, I love every minute of it. Because a woman can do whatever a man can do too. Don't give me none of that crap. It can happen, okay? And it's setting a great example for my daughter. And my wife also has another car. Here she's got her 71 Demon. When we got married, I gave her the wedding money. I said, you know, here, go, do whatever you want with it. You know, and most guys are like, I don't know, what is she gonna go do? You know, buy a dress, I don't know, right? She says, honey, I'm gonna buy this 71 Demon. Oh, okay. She bought it, brought it home. We had to restore it. I mean, you know, it didn't look like this. My brother painted it. It still looks gorgeous. Big block, nitrous, mini tub. She cruises it, does a little street racing, but we're not supposed to promote that, okay? And she's out there doing it too, and she's out there setting examples for other women that they can, you know, get in this sport and have fun, support their husbands, and, you know, husbands support your wives, and have a blast. It's worth every minute of the time that you spend to spend time with your family to do this sport. I hope it works out for you. I hope you get to experience what I do, because it's a great way to live. Peace out, guys. Have fun.